Hey wolves, welcome back to my channel. So listen, it's been a minute. I was sent in PR these little Smashbox things. So I actually keep all of mine in this tray right here along with these. I'm missing probably like 2 or 3 because I did give those away. But I wanted to come and kind of like give you guys my thoughts on these little things and just create a look with one of them. So this was the look that I came up with, and I think it's cute. I really like it, but I do have some thoughts on it. So if you're interested in this, keep watching. Alright y'all, so I think it's been probably about 2 years, but Smashbox came out with these like little trios. These are like their little trios. They are actually, I think, like, the price is going to be on the screen. I can't really remember. I think it's like $22 a pop, and honestly, I don't like that they're so expensive. I feel like they're this price and you really can't get the perfect look for just $22. Not only that, I don't really like the quality of them for $22 a pop. But I do like the whole design. Like, it's a whole camera lens. Like, that shit is lit. So cute. Like, I like the concept. The PR packaging that it was sent in was so cute. So another thing, okay, so the one that I'm using is called Punk. And it tells you the names of the different shadows on the back, so you'll know which one that you're using. And I don't know if you know this too, but you can also peel this back, the little the paper, and it'll show you how to get this eye look. I don't know if I necessarily like that idea, because once you peel it off, let's just say you lose it or lose this tackiness, you're not going to know what colors, like, you're not going to really know the name of the duo. But anyways, I'm just about to create a look with it, and let's just see how it goes. My lid is actually eye primer, and I went ahead and set it or whatever. And I'm going to go into one of my palettes and just pick up some type of warm brown color, and then I'm going to blend it and build. So this is just going to be step 1. I'm just going to use this as a transition, but I'm actually going to go in with a more defined brown, I guess. But I like this as the transition for it. Now I'm coming out my Morphe 3502 palette, and now I'm going in with a brown that's in here. The name of this one is called So Warm. So what I'm going to do is pack So Warm into the crease. Now what I'm going to do is actually go into the duo, and this color right here is called Blackout, and it's simply a black. Right there, and I'm going to take that, and that is going to go to the outer V corner. I am going to cut the crease with this look. Let's just see how pigmented this is. So, you know, it's giving me a bit of patchiness as I like blend this out, and it's not a fan. This is what I mean. For $22, sis, this shouldn't even be patchy. This should have so much pigment to it, especially as a black. I'm also finding it a bit hard to blend, but I'm just gonna go in and switch my brushes and we'll make it work. Like, I'm not the best when it comes to reviewing eyeshadows, because I mean, shoot, I work with what I got. And now what I'm doing is I'm going to make it a bit darker. First put the black on, then blended the black out. Now I'm just going to take that black and I'm just going to make it dark. So this part here is honestly like the hardest part for me. I'm just going to go ahead and cut the crease. And when I say the hardest part is, I always just try to find where I want my lid space to start and end. And for this time, I'm actually using concealer, because I just found that this concealer kind of goes on a little easier to cut the crease compared to when I used a base for it. So I'm going to go on this side and do the same thing. So now I'm going to go on with the color called Rock Icon, and it's the actual silver, which is supposed to be the lid color. And I'm going to take this and pack this onto the lid, and I might have to change my brush and get like something I might have to try that, but let's just see first. I don't think I like the way that brush is applying, so I'm just going to try to go through. I don't know which brush will be the right brush to apply this, so we're going to go through with all my brushes and see. Okay, this might be the better one. as you can see, it is falling out or whatever, which, okay, that's fine. Now, I wanted to kind of scoot up a little bit so y'all can kind of see how it comes on or whatever, which I think it's a very pretty color, don't get me wrong. So that's the eye look when it comes to this card. You can see the brown, you can see the black, you can see the, what color is this? The silver on the lid. We're going to move forward with the face. So I'm going to go ahead with concealer. I'm going to go in with foundation, and we're going to keep it moving. So as my eyelashes dry, we're just going to brush off this. And then we're going to go in with what? Blush, which is Toasted Almond. Y'all know my favorite. And then highlight. To be extra, so it's going to be by Revolution Makeup, and it's called Rock on World. And I can't really hold it up because shit, it's just everywhere, okay? Like, my lashes kind of dry a little bit because they do need mascara, because you can see the difference. So for the time being, I'm just going to go ahead and line my waterline. So I contemplated like what lip do I want, but I'm going to keep it classic, y'all, because this is like classic and pretty. So I'm going to go in with Film Nior by MAC. And then I'm just going to go in with Colourpop Fairyfloss. It's just a gloss. So this is the finished look. Now I'm having like the worst hair day. Like my wig ain't want to look right, like sis. So it is what it is. So like I said, I just don't think that they should be that much. Just for this small of a thing. And then some of them are like hit or miss. Like I said, I guess I like the idea, but I don't like the idea. I don't think you can just achieve one look with 3 colors like this one. You know. Okay, you have a brown, but this brown is probably not going to show up as deep on me. So is this considering to be like the crease color here, lid color, transition, or, you know, whatever? It's like just trying to put 3 colors in an eyeshadow palette. And I don't know the whole purpose behind it, but it's not something I would purchase. Anyways, y'all, I just wanted to come and give you guys a look and kind of show you what I came up with this. I haven't done like a gray look or silver look in a minute, y'all. Like, it's been a couple years, so I was like, let me try it now. I did mess up a little bit. You can kind of see it's a bit messy, but it is what it's gonna be. I hope that you all enjoyed this tutorial, like this little whatever this is called. Links are going to be in the description box for this, so you can check it out. Anyways, that's it. I'm Nene Tanae. To all my new subbies, hey boos, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye, y'all.